welcome back to my channel. So today I have filmed this look and I used a bunch of new products on my face. I used some NYX products on the eyes, Modern Renaissance. So yeah, if y'all like this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Okay guys, so let's get straight into the look and I'm gonna start off with the other eye. I already did the other eye off of camera, so let's get started. To start off, I'm gonna be taking this neon yellow shade from my NYX Vivid Brights palette on a ABH Cosmetics V5 brush. And I'm gonna be applying this directly in the crease. This is gonna be my transition shade, so we're just gonna build it up quite a bit. And I think using this yellow shade is really important because as you can see with the other eye, it gives that kind of sunset eyeshadowy vibe and it just ends up bringing the whole eye look together in the end. So I'm just going to keep adding that yellow shade until I get the desired crease color that I want. And I'm going to bring it a little bit higher than I usually do so I can bring up the rest of the colors up as well. To deepen up the crease, I'm going to be taking the kind of mustardy yellow shade next to the bright one we just used on this ABH Cosmetics No. 6 brush. And I'm just going to apply this directly in the crease. And blending is key with this eyeshadow look because you do not want to see the colors separate in separate lines. So make sure you take your time blending them. Switching over to my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Relgar, I'm sorry if I mispronounced it, but this burnt orangey shade, and I'm going to be applying it in the crease as well with the same brush. Now that that's done, I'm going to be taking a smaller, more tapered blending brush and the shade Red Ochre, and I'm going to be applying this lower in the crease and all over the lid. So I'm going to start off by slowly blending this all over the crease, but I'm keeping it lower than the previous orange shade to give it a nice gradient effect. Then I'm going to be going in with more product and I'm going to be stamping it on the eye with the same brush and then blending it out. And this is just going to give like a very smooth cover to the eyelid. It's going to make it look really nice and smoked out. I'm going to be following the same steps with the same brush but the Cypress Umber shade, and I'm just going to dust this lightly over the eye to make it a tad bit darker. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this kind of quick, but I'm just going to explain to y'all what I'm doing so I don't have to talk while I do it. The first step into achieving this like liner cut crease, I'm going to be taking an angled eyebrow brush. And this is a BH Cosmetics 107 brush and my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just going to draw a very thin line across my crease. Okay guys, and I'm going to quickly set that with my Fenty Killawatt highlighter and my Morphe M210. And it doesn't have to be perfect, we're just setting this so it doesn't transfer. And now that that is set, I'm going to be applying my NYX glitter glue the same way I applied the concealer. And then I'm going to be taking my Too Faced glitter in the shade Gliterally, and I'm going to apply that over it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied some falsies and some eyeliner, and now we're back to the face. So I'm so excited to do the face today because I have so many new products that I want to show y'all and that I completely love. So to prime the face, I'm going to be taking my Touche Eclat Blur Primer from YSL, and I absolutely love this primer. So I'm just going to rub that in my hands and apply it all over my face. And for foundation, I'm going to be taking my Fenty foundation in the shade 170 Cool. To blend this side, I'm going to be using my Nude Beauty Blender. And actually, my sister gave me this foundation for my birthday, so I've been wearing it, and honestly, now I see why everyone goes so crazy about it. It is so good, the coverage is so good, and I also think that the undertones are really, really good. And you guys, we're so close to 500 subscribers, so make sure y'all hit that subscribe button because as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for y'all. So don't forget to subscribe and make sure y'all tell your friends, family members, everyone y'all know to subscribe to my channel as well. And now that that is blended out, I'm gonna be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light to highlight underneath my eyes. And I'm just gonna go back with my beauty blender and blend all of this out. Something else that also helps your concealer stay really full coverage that I learned from Jackie Aina, I absolutely love her channel, is whenever you apply your concealer underneath the eyes, let it sit for a little bit, like almost dry, before you go in to blend it out. And it's just going to make it look really nice, really smooth, and it's going to give you the most coverage out of whatever concealer you're wearing. And I'm going to be taking the same damp beauty blender in my Laurent Mercier translucent powder to set all the places I highlighted. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking my Wowder powder in the shade Light Medium and my e.l.f. Complexion Brush. And I absolutely love this powder. This is another product that Jackie Aina, And to finish off underneath the eyes, I'm just going to be taking a mixture of Buen Fresco and Love Letter from my ABH Modern Renaissance palette on a Luxie 239 brush. And to bronze up the face, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild blush brush and my Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer. So I'm just going to follow, like if I would put my brush on top of my ears, I'm just going to follow that line to apply my bronzer. And I absolutely love this bronzer. Ever since I've been wearing it, it goes on so smoothly. It doesn't cling on to any dry patches that I might have on my face. So definitely recommend this. And to highlight, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Killawatt highlighter in the shade Fire Crystal. And to apply it, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush. And I believe this is from the Rose Romance set. And I'm actually going to be switching over to my Morphe M210 to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow. And I love using my M210 because it fits perfectly in the middle of my nose to give that kind of snatched nose effect. And for blush, I'm going to be using my Milani blush. I'm going to be using my Milani blush in the shade Luminoso with the BH Cosmetics No. 1 brush. And I like applying my blush last because it just helps diffuse the highlighter in the bronzers really well. And it kind of makes sure that there's not just a stripe of highlight. And now to finish off the look, I'm going to be taking my ABH Liquid Lip in Allison in my e.l.f. Lip Plumpling Gloss and the shade Pink Cosmo. And now I'm going to be setting my face with my Too Faced 3-in-1 setting spray. Okay guys, and that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already.